Bring the drama of American history right into your classroom with the Andrew Johnson impeachment mock trial. Step into history as President Andrew Johnson, radical Republicans, defense attorneys, witnesses, and even senators who must decide Johnson's fate. This 5-day, fully planned simulation transforms your classroom into the trial of the century, giving students the chance to argue, question witnesses, deliver speeches, and ultimately decide whether Johnson should be removed from office. Everything you need is included: a complete teacher's manual, detailed roll sheets for up to 30 students, historical primary sources, and a student guidebook. Will Johnson survive impeachment, or will your students change the course of American history?